free university and specialist training for thousands of nurses and midwives. This quote from the Minister for Health, Mary-Anne Thomas. You can't deliver a health system with empty hospitals, which is why we're investing in hardworking nurses and midwives that are helping Victorian patients every single day. The Premier of Victoria, the Honourable Daniel Andrews, has announced making it free to study nursing and midwifery. This announcement made on the 28th of August 2022 in Melbourne, Australia. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We tell stories and our story is international education, and stand by for some breaking news that will create a lot of joy and hope for anyone looking for a career in nursing and medicine and as a midwife. This media release from the 28th of August 2022, the Andrews Labor government is backing Victoria's healthcare system with free university and specialist training for thousands of nurses and midwives. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. That's all we have for you now in this episode. We've somehow managed to fit all the information in. The other thing I would like to say and just remind you is that this channel is we are based in Melbourne, Australia. Wise Words Media has a lot of experience in international student education, creating marketing, video and audio content for international students. We also have a lot of experience settling people from overseas into life in Melbourne since 1979. We love showing off Melbourne, and we love helping people get familiar with everything this city has to offer. So make sure that you make the fullest of everything life in Melbourne has to offer through your university. Your international student support team has many activities throughout the year, not just orientation week. There's many things to take advantage of, many clubs and societies. And if you're a student whose language, English, is a second language, don't stop yourself and be anxious about joining in. Get involved, practice your English, find conversation clubs, and we'll wrap it up there. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode.